Let's add a progress check to our module. With the module selected, switch to the Edit Contents tab. By hitting the side button and select Add Progress Check, we open the Progress Check menu. There are basically two ways to add questions to a progress check, either by importing a whole bunch of questions via a so-called questions file from your computer, like so, or via entering questions and corresponding answers directly here in this menu, what we will look at right now. Click the green Add Question button. A new entry will appear immediately at the bottom of the questions list. Click this button here to reveal all options to this question. Formulate your question in the question text field. Optionally, you can add an image to be displayed next to the question. Now let's add some answers. Make sure the correct answer checkbox is checked for the correct answer. Finally, click Apply at the bottom of the page to save the progress check. If you want, you can change the order of the progress check by drag and drop. Don't forget to click the Save button, otherwise all changes will be lost.